Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now we're in a 2020 Mercedes-Benz. This is a C200 and we seem to have a check light on the dash. So today we're going to be doing a video. We're going to diagnose what's causing that engine check light on the dashboard and see if we can find it out and solve this problem as shortest time frame as possible. So let's dive right into it. Alright, so the software choice that we're going to be using today to diagnose the issue, and we have used this in the past and past videos, is our Blue Driver scan tool, Pro scan tool, and we're going to scan to find out what the message is about on the dash. So let's get into it. Alright, so the scan tool is plugged in right there. Just going to see what comes up on the display of my cell phone. Alright, so based on the scan, which I'm going to be displaying on our screen, those are the results of the scan. We see that is a boost pressure sensor that has gone bad. And so we're going to be locating it and repairing it in the C200. Let's get right into it. Alright, so we have replaced the broken pressure sensor. This is how it looks. This is the old one, but you notice that we still have the check engine light. So then we have to go back in the Blue Driver now and clear the code to see if it comes off. So let's do that.